All right, so bought these rock lights off of Amazon, some cheap shit, you know, but I looked through the reviews of all the other options and came out with this pick. It comes with 12 of them. I've noticed and learned over the years, a lot of the cheaper products, they're not sealed well, and then that's what causes them to fail. Water gets in them. So I like to add my own security and put some silicone on the areas that I know water will get in. This was the main area. It was a big gap there. Like, you can tell they put a little something there, but it wasn't that great. So I put my own silicone on all of them. So I'm letting that dry while I figure out the rest of this. This box is what controls the power. Got the keychain, you know, so you can control it from here. But yeah, so where is it? This runs to the battery, you know, on and off switch, and then this plugs into this box right there, and then these two cables that run off of it plug into one set of lights and then the other set of lights, and then from there you can, you know, disconnect, extend. It comes with some extensions for the ones further back. So yeah, let me start taking apart this truck and figuring out exactly where I want to put these lights. All right, so I just ran the cables real quick just to, you know, get power to it, to make sure they all work. You know, don't want to install something and they don't work. Here's the switch. Just turn them on. And yeah, they work. Where's the remote? Let's grab the remote. I think I put it down somewhere right there. So yeah, everything works. So now I can start mounting them. All right, so this is how far I got. I put the lights on the front fender already. This is a process for sure. So the back liner is out. So all you gotta do is take the fender liner out, not too hard. Figure out where you want to put these. You know, mark the holes, drill them, and you gotta make this cutout big enough for the other end of this to fit, because it's a square. See, so I had to cut that. I just did that by freehand. Doesn't gotta be perfect. I went and got different hardware because they send these, and I'm not using these self-tapping screws. Those aren't gonna hold. So I went and got actual nut and bolt washer and lock washers. So those will hold for sure. I'll show you how it looks on that one. So actually I can show you on this one. I did it pretty quick. But yeah, oh, there you go. That's how it looks. So you know those ain't going nowhere. This is the progress I've made so far. So the back one is mounted. This fender liner was a pain, but got it out, got it mounted. So those are good. The wires ran up front. I got the front one all mounted up. You know, they're right here. But I'm not putting this fender liner up yet because I need to clean up those wires and stuff, and I'm still running the other two that are gonna go there and there. So I'm just kind of figuring out where I want the placement. You can kind of see the green, so that's where that one's shining. And when that one was further back, it was shining over here, but I want it closer here, lined up with that one. So I'm gonna move that. And then after I do that, I'll clean up these wires. This side will be done. I can put all that together, and then I have the wire already, the other plug, I have it already on. Let me lift this up. So I have the wire. Remember, 2 plugs come off. 1 plug for one side, and then 1 plug over there for the other side. So I already have it ran. I'll clean this up too when I'm done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side, get it all done, and then start the other side. All right, so here's how it looks. Bright gas station lights, and you can see it clear as day. The lights are shining. It looks so good. It's not on the highest lift level right now, it's at normal. But yeah, like I said, 2 lights in each wheel well, and then 2 lights. Let me show you. 1 there and then 1 there. Bright. Let's look underneath. You can't really see them because I got them tucked up under there, but yeah. These came out really good. I'm really happy with it. And again, these are Amazon specials. And yeah, look at them. So now here's with a little bit less light. I mean, it's still kind of bright here, but yeah, you see the difference. This thing looks mean. Damn. All right, so now it's pitch black where I am. And this is how it looks. So I got the remote right here with me. So I can't see the remote, even though the camera can pick it up, but here it is off. Gotta get a little closer. The battery's not dead. I feel like the battery is dead. All right, the battery might be dead on the remote. It was some cheap, oh, there we go, oh. All right, so that's off. Let's see if it'll turn on from here. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna change the colors. Let's go blue. It's so hard to see. This remote not working that great. There's blue. Let's go red. There's red. All right, now the remote's working good. Then it does all this fancy stuff like flash. Then it'll switch colors and do all types of stuff. It'll fade. Damn, bug in my face. There we go. It's fade into different colors. And we got some police lights. Nope, not that one. There's the police lights. Yeah, all types of stuff on there. But yeah, super bright. This remote not the best. It comes with a second remote. Let's see if I have it in my pocket. I don't. It comes with a second remote that works a little better. It's like a little keychain remote. Let's go back to purple. There's purple. And pink. Let's go white. There's white. Orange. Let's go back. Actually, let's try turquoise. All right, let's go back purple. That's what I normally keep it on. All right. Yep, that's how it looks. Pretty satisfied with the install. But yeah, here we go.